Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kamla panlong babaro onye yok kam sarkar lo. Bagaimana kata ngaya kontribut lang ikan konsen tu kini samla jungi, jongki NGO jungi, ngaya di jumut bagi, hakabaki uat hakabaki nam, bagi kuat bani i bakandon kari recruitment kabah, kari recruitment kabalong fair. Ngaya kublai shibune, ya ka DHS, ya ka department ni ka health department, hakabak kilayarap ban penlongkam ni kini ka hospital ban beli mentangas ni. Ban nang arrange temporary ban thong sipor ya ki staff ban trei hagari department ngitip ha ngisku thop ha baban le ya ka recruitment process kang pasimpor hadok kata-kata ngiyobi ba karisol kang su out hati di benai haunu benai menta ya ketuk exam kabala conduct system tam mansua tiada dangi up laga ka department ka up Baya kini Samsung Post itu mengelayok nam takkan partisipasi dia hande onlet takkan recruitment process kabut masa sistem tamu kini patiok berpeli kini ke hospital ngai kebeli kerpang ya ke health department kita langsung care banang arrange temporary banang ke casual banang thong casual ban yo ban penlong kumakalong matasi bagi nak ban peli ya kini ke partisipasi dia but ngakwa ban keren kita dekat hari. I'm very happy to have here Mr. Sampat Kumar, who is the driving force of health department. And I have just explained that the people out here in Mokurwat, they are concerned about employment. And if possible, each one of us, the youth of Mokurwat, they want to be placed in a government service, which is not possible. But whatever possible that the department has done, I want to express a sincere thanks to the department, to the health minister, to the principal and secretary of the department, and the entire team that they have arranged temporary to give employment on casual basis, on temporary basis, to enable this hospital to start before we get the regular staff.